All right, everybody, this is Jason Myers coming to you from Donnelly Ford here in Ashland. I wanted to show you this 2022 Ford Explorer XLT. Really sharp. It was a recent trade-in. It does have the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine and only 16,291 on the miles. Pretty sharp. Has keyless entry, heated seats, and lane keep, which is really nice to help keep centered in the lane. It does have the third row back here. Plenty of space. Comes with the all-weather mats. It does also have a backup camera and hands-free power lift gate. Has roof rails as well as Bluetooth, power windows, and locks. If you're interested in this or anything else you see online, feel free to reach out. Get a hold of me at extension 1016. Have a great day.